In the recent years, Poland has become one of the most attractive geos in affiliate marketing. For many publishers, especially from Poland, it has become a significant source of income. Today we will learn about the categories and affiliate programs worth choosing, which traffic sources convert the best, and what to pay attention to when planning campaigns. And because MyLead originates from Poland, we, like no other, know the answers to these questions.
Poland, unique geo characteristics or a bit of theory. Poland is a country with a rich history and culture, located in Central Europe and a member of the European Union. It belongs to Tier 2 countries, which include, among others, Ukraine, Latvia, Georgia, Malta and Japan.
By the way, you can familiarize yourself with the article about tiers, which I have included in the description of this video, along with all other materials I'll mention today.
The e-commerce market in Poland has been steadily growing every year. This means that more and more people are making regular online purchases.
Based on our own data compared to other countries in this tier, Poland stands out for
high-quality traffic and conversions coming from social media platforms, a high willingness of publishers to use promotion methods that don't require investments, such as developing SEO, running blogs or social media profiles.
Let's talk about the creatives and offer appearance.
Poland is a European country, so if you have creatives for other European countries, they can serve as a template. Just remember to use photos or illustrations of Caucasian people.
Even though many Poles speak English very well, for good conversions, offers and creatives should be in Polish. If you want to promote PPI offers, including mobile games, make sure that the offer has version of the website or app in Polish. This can have a significant impact on your results. As for the text themselves, they should be grammatically correct. To achieve this, I recommend using following tools.
Jasnopis. It analyzes the linguistic form of the text and indicates its complexity level. This tool will help you create easily understandable and effective texts. WriteSonic, an AI tool for marketing texts from scratch, covering various complexity levels, from product descriptions and targeted ads to contextual ads and articles. DeepL, a translation tool based on a database of human translations. ChatGPT, artificial intelligence that will analyze and check your text for grammatical and stylistic correctness. And if necessary, it can also translate it and do much more.
It's also important to pay attention to the payment methods for the potential customers. This is particularly important if you are promoting e-commerce programs or services, where the customer needs to make a purchase or deposit.
Poland has a highly developed banking system. Polish people prefer fast payment methods, such as Pay by Link, supported for example by Przelewy24, PayU.pay, TPay or eCard. Fast payments like Blik, Apple Pay and Google Pay are also very popular. Pay attention to Blik, which is a modern Polish standard for mobile payments, simplifying the lives of millions of customers of Polish banks. It's fast, secure and convenient solution. For this reason, offers requiring payment by providing bank cards details will perform much worse here. Most people simply won't want to go through such hassle, or they will be concerned about disclosing sensitive data, and conversions won't happen. In Poland, there are no native e-wallets. The most commonly used wallet here is PayPal. Polish people also open for solutions such as EcoPays, Skrill, BTC and USDT.
So now you have basic information about the geo. Let's move on to choosing categories.
What categories convert the best in Poland?
For the purpose of this video, I've analyzed which goods and services are worth promoting in Poland to achieve satisfying ROI. Keep in mind that this is just my suggestion based on the statistics. Let's discuss category one by one, and of course all the offers you can find on the MyLead website.
Coupon and cashback portals and sweepstakes.
Many affiliate marketing experts consider this category the future of affiliate marketing.
According to the Central Statistical Office in Poland, Polish consumers are known for taking care of their finances and seeking the best deals.
By purchasing goods or services on the discount, they feel like they get more value for their money. That is why I recommend promoting offers related to obtaining discounts.
One of the most popular offers of this type among MyLead publishers is the Ali Rabat discount service. According to our data from March 2023, our publishers generated over 38,000 conversions with it. You can read more about it on our blog.
Also, don't give up on lotteries or contests where the main prize is scooter or smartphone. Such offers still attract many users.
Dating and adult.
A true classic for many countries. Online dating and adult offers are also very popular among Polish people.
According to Digital Care, as many as 32% of the country residents use dating apps. Such campaigns are well liked and, more importantly, profitable for MyLead publishers.
Why? It's simple. Straightforward promotion methods, clear products and attractive rates.
Nutra offers
skincare products, dietary supplements and healthy lifestyle catch the attention of Polish customers who follow global trends and increasingly care about their health and appearance.
According to a report by Puls Medycyny, over 67% of Polish people take dietary supplements.
The cosmetic markets also grow dynamically year by year. Moreover, the topic of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, well-being, physical and mental health is increasingly discussed online among users and influencers. I recommend paying attention on natural, organic and cruelty-free products.
E-commerce.
I already mentioned that e-commerce market in Poland is steadily growing. Polish online stores are happy to use affiliate marketing.
As the latest statistics show, Polish people most often buy clothing and shoes online, which can be narrowed down to eco and gender-neutral products, electronics, household goods and books. Both paper and electronic are also popular.
On the other hand, such products as jewelry, watches and photographic equipment are the least purchased online.
Tourism.
Promoting travel offers will be a good solution for one simple reason. Polish people can visit many EU countries and countries from Schengen area without the need for a visa.
This makes traveling a popular way to relax, especially since, according to research, more than 20 out of 37 million Polish people traveled for vacation in the summer of 2023.
Furthermore, traveling provides an opportunity to meet with family, friends and loved ones.
In this niche, you can promote tours, hotel bookings, car parts and accessories, clothing, equipment, language courses and a variety of travel gadgets. Traffic sources.
The choice of traffic source depends on the selected category and campaign. Let's discuss them one by one.
Social media.
I mentioned already that social networks bring in a lot of traffic for publishers in Poland.
According to OOSCA data, the most popular social media platform in Poland is Facebook. Following that on the popularity list are Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, X and others.
Due to many restrictions and bans, it is best to promote something mainstream on Facebook,
such as e-commerce, clothing, electronics, children's and parenting products. Nutra campaigns promoting cosmetics and dietary supplements also work well here, but caution is needed not to get banned.
The same goes for dating and travel-related offers.
While promoting them, you will need to use a cloaker, so we recommend paying attention to completely free HideLink cloaking system available to all MyLead affiliate network publishers.
To learn how to effectively promote on social media, watch the video on our channel. The best way to promote is through Facebook ads targeting, but it requires skills. I compared the promotion rates of a Facebook ads post in 3 locations: the United States, Poland and the Philippines.
It turns out that promoting in Poland costs about 0.0023 cents per click. This is quite cheap compared to the USA, where a click costs about 0.0046 cents, but significantly more expensive than in the Philippines, where it costs 0.000023 cents.
MyLead publishers often use non-invested publication methods, such as running thematic groups and fan pages. On Polish Instagram, like Worldwide, we mostly enjoy fashion, accessories and beauty products. Thanks to that, promoting these types of offers will definitely go well there.
Travel offers, Nutra, catering services, parenting content, gadgets and electronics are also likely to convert fine.
To effectively promote, it's important to create visually attracting, original and inspiring content, use appropriate hashtags, convincing descriptions and call to action. Staying on the topic of videos, whether you decided to create TikTok, YouTube channel, Reels, Shorts, content must be high quality.
To achieve this, you can invest in a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr.
If you want to create content entirely on your own, I recommend these tools.
In short, a mobile app for video editing, Camtasia or OBS Studio, an app for screen recording and editing. The types of video content you can create include reviews, unboxings or tutorials on smartphones, laptops, TVs, gaming consoles and other electronic devices, instructional videos on interior decoration, appliance repair, garden design and styling, workouts, exercise plans, healthy eating tutorials or motivational content for people looking to improve their physique, reviews of skincare, makeup and hair care products, as well as video tutorials on various makeup techniques and styles. SEO and your own website.
If you have your own website or blog, the situation of promotion through TikTok or YouTube is similar.
You need to create content that is useful to the user and attracts customers for advertisers.
The only difference is that your content reaches users not through algorithm of social media, but through SEO optimization, which you should pay special attention to.
Paid traffic.
Based on our experience, contextual advertising works very well, especially on the Google search engine, which is favored by Polish people.
Additionally, it tends to be less expensive than in Tier 1 countries. To have well-optimized contextual advertising, consider demographic targeting. Customize your ads to target demographics including age, gender, interests and preferences. Use advertising tools like Google Ads audience groups to effectively reach the right demographic segments. Experimentation. Test different creatives and find the one that delivers the best results. Try different offers and adjust to seasonality. Adapt your ads to special occasions, holidays or important cultural events. Stay up to date with the latest trends. Data analysis. Integration with a tracker and tracking statistics can be very useful. You can create black-white lists of websites to respond quickly to campaign changes and optimize it in time.
Pay attention to the native ad format.
It is actively used on popular news portals like Onet.pl.
You can buy native content from administrators of various websites. As for pop and push, they are not very popular in Poland, except for mobile applications.
Email marketing.
Email marketing is quite popular in Poland, so it's worth considering its use in your promotion. However, there is one caveat. We are talking about GDPR, which applies within the European Union.
The essence of GDPR is to regulate and ensure transparency in the process of processing users' personal data. Contact details, including email addresses, are subject to legal regulations. Therefore, the approach to email marketing must strictly comply with GDPR, and all advertisers pay special attention to this.
Unfortunately, it's very difficult to control whether every publisher complies with the law when creating a database. That's why email marketing as a traffic source is generally allowed for large players, who can guarantee compliance with current regulations.
SMS marketing.
When it comes to messaging, we should discuss SMS marketing. Very few publishers in Poland utilize this source of traffic, as it's not a very popular way of promotion.
Closing remarks.
As you can see, Poland is a very promising country in terms of affiliate marketing. The industry here growing rapidly and offers many opportunities for advertisers and publishers. The key to success is to adapt your strategy to the specifics of Polish market.
If you want to try your hand, register with MyLead, as we have a wide selection of offers for this geo, as well as for the whole world.
Also remember that our affiliate managers, who has extensive experience in both global and Polish market, are always here to help. So, are you ready to join the team of the best?